we are currently waiting for our time to go in.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like
Yo. This is so hot. Hey, Boom. That's the toilet. Take me for 9 minutes. Hello, guys. So we just got at the Crescent and we are going to Westpac over there. Turns out Westpac is not there, but it is somewhere there. Like, someone told me, why is the sign there but the shop is literally on the opposite? Like, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. So we have arrived at Westpac, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna get everything that we're looking for. So we were able to get everything that we were looking for. So now we're walking to Gateway, from Crescent to Gateway. You can imagine that walk. Guys, please support my channel so that I can be able to make money and buy a car. Please. I beg of you. I beg of you. I beg of you. Yeah. Arrived. Finally, we have arrived. We are inside. So we are done doing everything that we wanted to do today. We are done. I'm so happy that I went to Burger King's and I tried it out. For me, I think it's the same as McDonald's.
I get McDonald's
No, but maybe it's the burger we chose. Yeah, well, but I really feel Uguti, it's the same. It's the same thing. Literally, it's the same thing. The only difference is eat drink.
Okay.
Yo, eat drink.
Different.
Getting the right drink. It was a hustle on its own. Okay. 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 I'm a Friday. I got McDonald's. They definitely take the cup compared to I'm a Friday. I got Burger King.
It won't be a king. It's king.
Oh, Burger King. Yeah. Okay. Now let's get to Ibeka. So we've only tried Ibeka Eyodwa, of which is what's that burger? Bacon King. The Bacon King burger. So that's the only one we've tried. And my humble opinion says it tastes like a burger, yes, a McDonald's with bacon. Yeah, with bacon and without tuletisi and without that reddish thing, not reddish. Is it pickled cucumber or whatnot? But without that green thing. But I think it's just the same shame. Hello guys, so I am back home and yeah, I just came back, so I'll just show you like a few things that I bought. Yeah, basically it's just like a few items that has to do with my skincare routine. I changed it a bit, so I'm hoping that the things that I have now are things that are gonna work, because I just cannot keep going back and forth, you know. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I bought. Okay, these are just like leftovers from Burger King. And then I bought this for my sister. When we were at Checkers, she said she wanted it, so I just bought it for her. And then with regards to my cosmetics, I bought this Neutrogena spot controlling. I hope and pray it works. And I bought this as well, their face wash, so I'm hoping that it works. So these two are retailing for $149 each, so it was around 300 for both these items. And then I bought a roll on. I also bought this Dove, so I bought this for my mom, and then this one will be mine. So these two, you were getting these two at a price of 70 rands, so that's why I took two. Because of my skin problems, I always gravitate towards the original one because my skin doesn't like fragrances as much, but I've used this one before. It smells amazing. And then I bought other things. I bought this as well, the hydrating mask, because yo guys, there's drama with the hair that I have right now. So like I'll tell you all about it. But yeah, I had to buy this because I'm really gonna undo my hair really soon, and then I'm gonna need this just to give myself my hair like a form of treatment. And then I bought this. I hope it will look good on me, like grape or coffee. Yeah, hope it looks good. And then I went to Westpac. That's where I actually started. I started at Westpac because I needed a few things for my brother. So I bought this cup for myself. It was retailing at a price of 30 rands. Was it a 20? I can't remember. Like, what was the price of that glass? Let me check. Where is it? Oh, the mug was 26 rand 90. So yeah, I liked it and I wanted it. So I also bought these for my brother for his project of building like a cell phone tower. So I bought this wood thing, and then I got this glue. It's a wood glue. And then I bought this for myself, as well as this, because I don't know what I'm gonna need this for, but I know that I'm gonna need the sellotape. So yeah, so that's basically everything that I bought. Oh, another thing that I bought was noodles. Yes, I bought the Kellogg's brand, because that's what they like here at home. They don't like the Maggi brand. So yeah, that's all that I bought. And yeah, that's all that I bought. And I know that I need a few things. First thing that I need also, it is for my face. It's that skin functional niacinamide. I need to get that. I'm gonna get that on Take a Lot, as well as a romantic book, because I want to go back to reading. So I opted to just start with the romantic book, and then I know like I'm gonna get myself into the train of reading again. And then what else do I need to buy? I need to buy sunscreen. I'm gonna get it at Take a Lot as well, because I want that Demopal brand. So yeah, I'm gonna get it at Take a Lot as well. And or the hair oil, I want to change the hair oil, because that brand that I'm using, I think like its main purpose is just to make my hair look glossy, but like I don't see what else it does for my hair. So yeah, that's everything that I bought for today. I'm just gonna go back and work right now. Yeah, that's all basically. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys when I'm doing something interesting. Tomorrow I'll still be working at home. I think the only time that I'm gonna leave is if I decide to go and buy the laptop stand from Pep Home. So yeah, that's the only time I'm gonna leave home. Unless I'm not gonna leave home, I'm only gonna take you guys with on Thursday, when I'm doing something fun that is going to Mtundini. Yes, I am so excited about that. I'm super excited about that. I just need to make sure that I have a fit that is ready for tomorrow. I mean for Thursday. And then if like I'm short of something, then tomorrow is the only day that I have to just like go and grab that. Otherwise, yeah, that's all that I bought, and that's all that I have to say right now for you guys. It's not that deep. Oh, it is so cold. This place is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Whew. God is a creative genius. Honestly.
And then we saw
What else did we see? Oh yes, the one that runs from the
waves, yeah.
waves. Okay. Oh, we saw the car as well.